Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Semrush affiliate program, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with the Semrush affiliate program, visit the Semrush website. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to find the affiliates link. Click on this link to access the affiliate program section. Here, you will find detailed information about the benefits of joining the program. Look for the Join Now button and click on it. You will be redirected to the registration form. Fill out the required fields, including your name and email address. Provide a secure password for your account. Next, enter your website or blog URL where you plan to promote Semrush. Choose a suitable description of your website's niche. Make sure to review the terms and conditions provided. Once you have read through the terms, check the box to agree. Click on the Submit button to complete your application. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will activate your affiliate account with Semrush. Log into your new Semrush affiliate account using your email and password. Now, navigate to the Marketing Materials section. Here, you can find banners, links, and promotional resources. Select the materials that best fit your website's design. Copy your unique affiliate link for use on your site. Start promoting Semrush by incorporating these links into your content. Monitor your performance through the affiliate dashboard. You can track clicks, leads, and commissions earned. Stay updated on any new promotions or materials added by Semrush. Engaging with Semrush's updates can help maximize your earnings. That's it. You are now ready to start as a Semrush affiliate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.